First, using the description link, navigate to the Zedge login page. Log in using your Gmail account or another method. Next, fill in your username, date of birth, and set a password. Check 2 boxes and click Continue. Now, set your business name and select your country, then proceed to the next step. Add your name, description, and tags for your business. Accept the license and agreement, then continue. Go to the Business Information section. Fill in the contact person's name, address, date of birth, and phone number. Move on to the Tax Form section. Download your resident valid tax form, fill it out, and add it to the business information details you entered on Zedge. Now, go to your profile and click on your profile picture. Add a wallpaper, ensuring it meets the minimum size requirements, and upload your image. Edit the metadata. Add a name, tags, and description to the image. You can select your image earning method, such as adding credits or using Zedge Credit. Finally, get approved. Click the Approved button and review all the details to ensure everything is done correctly. Skip Add link to your profile page and confirm. Congratulations! You are now a contributor on the Zedge platform. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.